Okay guys, now what I want to do is show you how to create a simple model in Google SketchUp and geolocate it so that you can later import it into Google Earth. So I'm going to create a little dog house, kind of like what you see here. So I am on now to a new screen, untitled document in Google SketchUp. I'm actually using the Pro evaluation version. This should all work in the free version. I have the Pro version for free here at the moment. So if you, I'm going to create a little box on the ground, click the pull tool and pull that up, maybe create a little line on the top, snap it to the midpoint, snap to the end of midpoint, then drag that straight up to make a little roof, and let's make a little opening here for dog to go in. So make a little stylish one, make it an arc from there to there, maybe go up to about here, and then again take that and push that back. Let's see, it's a little hard to do it from that angle, so I'm going to rotate up and push that back there. And if I wanted to, I can delete extra geometry inside. And there we have a little dog house. Maybe it's a big dog house at this point. And now I'm going to just save it as a model to my desktop called Dog House 5. And once that's saved, I'm going to go up to geolocation from the file pull down tab and add a location. At this point it brings up a Google Map view, and I've already searched for Patterson Office Tower here at UK. I could search for something in Louisville if I wanted to, and I could find a location in Louisville to place the doghouse, or I could go back to Patterson Office Tower. Lexington, Kentucky. And there we have the office tower. Now I can select a region for where I generally like to place that. Let's say I want to put it in that area somewhere, and I grab that location. Now it brings those coordinates back into Google SketchUp and tells Google SketchUp that generally that's about where I want to place my model. Now if I want to, I can grab the model, and let's not just grab part of it. I'm going to select the whole model, and if I wanted to, I could move that around a little bit. Let's say I wanted to rotate it a little. Again, I'll select the model, and let's decide to rotate that. I'm going to rotate it on this base ground plane here, and from its original orientation around that point, let's say I line it up that way, and again I'm going to move it over here. Let's move it. Now it's gone underground. Let's not do that. Let's bring it up here. So there's my model that's geolocated. At this point, I'm going to go back up to File, Save, and File, Export, and export a 3D model. And now it's going to save Doghouse 5 on the desktop as a .kmz file. As you'll notice from one of the links earlier, there's a description in the Google documentation of what a KMZ file is. So I'm going to hit export, and that's done. In the next little clip, I'll show you how to import that into Google Earth.